I really love the concept of frontiers. And there are frontiers all around us. Choose a frontier that sings to your heart. And don't worry about whether somebody's already been there and done something before. Strike that thought from your mind, because you can go into a place where many people have been before, and you make a new observation, you change your viewpoint, and you can see new things and you can collect new data. And that happens time and time again in frontiers that are all around us. And all you have to do is put on your thinking cap and charge off and do something. And you don't necessarily need a laboratory filled with millions of dollars worth of stuff. And you can truly make new discoveries. Explore the frontiers and see what's going to happen. Find your own frontier and do some exploring.